Good morning. Welcome in. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. Yes, I would like to order 2 coffees, please. Something impressive for a special occasion.
A special occasion on a Saturday morning. I like it. Is there someone joining you today?
Yes, my friend. She is just finding a table, so I thought I would come and order, like a gentleman.
Very smooth. Any idea what she drinks?
She mentioned something with oat milk, I think, possibly.
Perfect. We can absolutely work with that. And what about yourself?
For me, I will have something strong, very strong. The strongest thing you have.
Of course. Can I ask, do you usually drink very strong coffee, or is today a special performance?
A special performance between us.
Understood completely. Leave it with me. Can I ask one thing first? Have you tried a single origin espresso before?
Many times, absolutely.
Wonderful. And did you prefer the Ethiopian or the Colombian?
The Ethiopian one, definitely. Beautiful.
Great choice. Our Ethiopian single origin has really lovely, bright, fruity notes this month. Very refined. Your date is going to think you know exactly what you're talking about.
That is the goal. Thank you for understanding.
Happy to help. Now, for her oat milk drink, does she prefer something sweet and creamy or something light and delicate?
She mentioned something about a oat latte, I think. That was the word.
An oat milk latte. Perfect. That's a great choice. Smooth, creamy, and the oat milk gives it a naturally sweet flavor without any added sugar. Very popular on a morning like this.
Yes, that's exactly what I meant to say.
Of course it was. And for you, since you enjoy strong coffee, I would actually suggest our cortado with the Ethiopian single origin, rather than a straight espresso. It's strong and concentrated, but the small amount of warm milk balances the intensity beautifully. It will look very elegant on the table.
Elegant. Yes, that's important today.
It really photographs well too, if that helps.
It does help enormously. I'll take the cortado.
Excellent decision. One oat milk latte and one Ethiopian single origin cortado. Anything else I can add? We have some beautiful almond croissants fresh this morning.
Are they the kind of thing that looks impressive on a table?
They are exactly the kind of thing that looks impressive on a table.
Then yes, 2, please.
Perfect. Can I take a name for the order?
Marcus.
Wonderful, Marcus. Give me about 4 minutes and I'll bring everything over to your table.
Thank you. You have been incredibly helpful.
That's what we're here for. And Marcus, you're doing great.
Is it that obvious?
Only to me. She has no idea. Go and sit down.
Thank you, genuinely.
Enjoy your morning, both of you.
I really hope so. Thank you, Zoe.
4 minutes. You've got this. Here we go. 1 oat milk latte and 1 Ethiopian single origin cortado and 2 almond croissants, fresh this morning.
This looks absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much.
My pleasure entirely. The cortado is in the small glass on the left. The crema on top tells you the espresso was pulled at exactly the right moment.
The crema, yes, exactly what I was looking for.
I thought you might be. Enjoy your morning.
Zoe, one quick question before you go. What exactly is crema? Just so I can remember.
Of course, crema is the thin golden layer that forms on top of a freshly pulled espresso shot. It is made of tiny coffee oils and carbon dioxide released during the extraction. A good crema means the beans are fresh and the shot was made correctly. It is one of the signs of a quality espresso.
So if there is no crema, the coffee is not fresh.
That is a very good way to put it. No crema usually means the beans are old or the shot was not extracted properly. You can judge a lot about a coffee shop just by looking at the crema.
That is genuinely fascinating. I had no idea I would find coffee this interesting.
Most people feel that way once they start paying attention. It's a surprisingly deep world.
What does single origin actually mean? I said I knew, but honestly, I was guessing earlier.
Single origin means the coffee beans all come from one specific place, one country, one region, or even one single farm. It's the opposite of a blend where beans from different places are mixed together. Single origin coffees have very distinct flavors that reflect exactly where they were grown.
And the Ethiopian one, you mentioned fruity notes. What does that mean for coffee?
Ethiopian coffees are known for their naturally bright and fruity flavor. You might taste hints of blueberry or citrus without anything being added. It comes entirely from the soil and climate where the beans were grown. Every region in the world produces coffee with its own unique character.
So the geography of a place actually affects how the coffee tastes.
Completely. It's called terroir, a word borrowed from the wine world. The altitude, the rainfall, the soil composition, all of it shapes the flavor of the bean. Coffee and wine have more in common than most people realize.
That is remarkable. I feel like I've learned more about coffee in the last 10 minutes than in my entire life.
That's the best kind of morning.
Can I ask one more thing? The latte art on her drink, the pattern on top. How long does it take to learn that?
Most baristas practice for several months before they can produce a consistent rosette. You're training your hand, your pouring speed, and your milk texture all at the same time. It takes patience, but once it clicks, it becomes second nature.
Second nature meaning it feels completely automatic.
Exactly, like riding a bicycle. Impossible at first, natural forever after.
I love that. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly, Zoe. And for earlier. You know what I mean.
You handled everything beautifully, Marcus. I barely did a thing.
That's very generous of you.
Enjoy the croissants. They're best while they're still warm.
We absolutely will. Can I pay now or at the end?
Whenever suits you. We take card, contactless, or cash. No rush at all.
I'll sort it out now, actually. Here, contactless.
Perfect. All done. And here's a loyalty card for you. First stamp already on there.
9 more to go.
Come back soon and bring good conversation. That counts for something here.
On both counts, I think we're off to a good start.
I would say so. Have a truly wonderful morning, Marcus.
Thank you, Zoe, for everything, really.
My pleasure. Enjoy every sip. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thank you again.